Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive straight into how to track your pet's health and veterinary records using AIRTABLE, your ultimate 2025 guide. First things first, let's create a new base in AIRTABLE. This will serve as the foundation for tracking your pet's information. The reason we do this is to have a customizable, central location for all your pet's data. Now that we've done that, let's get specific. Name your base something like Pet Health Tracker. Next, create your first table. I recommend naming it Veterinary Visits. This helps us because it allows us to keep track of all appointments and treatments your pet undergoes. Moving forward, let's add some fields. Include fields such as date of visit, reason for visit, treatment received, medication prescribed, and next appointment. These details are crucial to keep track of your pet's health over time. It's like having a digital diary for your pet's health. Next up, let's add a second table titled Health Metrics. Here, you can include fields like date, weight, diet notes, and exercise. Regularly updating this table helps you monitor trends in your pet's health and lifestyle. This brings us to our final step. It's time to link our tables. With AIRTABLE, you can create a linked record field to connect your veterinary visits table to the health metrics table. This helps us because it provides an interconnected, comprehensive view of your pet's health. Let me explain why this matters. By leveraging AIRTABLE's powerful linking feature, you can see correlations between your pet's health metrics and vet visits. This can help identify any patterns or issues early on, ensuring your pet's well-being. And there you have it. A streamlined process to keep track of your pet's health and veterinary records in AIRTABLE. This full 2025 guide is designed to make the process easier and more efficient for you, so you can focus on what matters most, taking care of your furry friend. Remember, a well-informed pet owner is the best kind of pet owner. Until next time, stay organized and keep those tails wagging.